Have you ever watched one of those fixer-upper home renovation shows? The new homeowners are so excited. They have a budget that will just barely cover their wish list of projects, and then things start to go south. They discover the wiring isn't up to code, there's lead paint that has been removed, or the wall they want to take out is load-bearing. It seems like this is done to add drama to the show, but it can actually happen. Stay tuned to find out how your home's foundation could affect your next renovation. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. A homeowner has chosen new flooring, then the installer arrives and tell them that they won't lay it right because their floors are sagging. Suddenly they aren't just buying flooring. They're also paying for structural repairs. The budget goes out the window and they have to reschedule their flooring installation. In this video, I'll explain how your foundation can delay your renovation, what you should know before you start, and when you should call a foundation expert. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. This is a very important question and the simple answer is yes. The reason that a foundation will delay any kind of renovation is if you have foundation problems or settling, it's going to affect everything above it, which is the entirety of the rest of your home. Whether that's drywall, walls, flooring, windows, even doors being put on your home can be affected by the foundation settling. Anytime you start a renovation project, the easiest way to know if there's an underlying problem if you haven't been in the home very long or haven't noticed any of the common symptoms is when you're taking out what's there to replace it, look for clues that somebody's either shimmed a door, changed a window, patched drywall, or anything like that. These are things that people do to cover up a problem, or they didn't know there was an underlying problem, and this is a big key to show you if you're going to have future problems with your renovation. Anytime you're suspicious that anything's been covered up, or you're seeing any kind of cracking, door sticking, or window sticking, this is when you should call the expert, and you should always do it before you dive into that renovation. Things are hard enough to get scheduled, to get done on time, and at a good cost. You don't want to delay those kind of things anymore with things that you could have caught on the front end, but chose to ignore. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about foundation repairs before your renovation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.